Hi, look, as an affiliate marketer, one of the things that keep looking, is partnering with affiliate networks that they've got offers that might relate to your business or whatever that you like to promote. And does not matter what you are promoting, as long as you're an affiliate marketer. One of the things that you need to look at is promoting high ticket sales, offers that are going to pay you more. You don't want to promote something in the long run that's only going to pay you $10 that is not even recurring. If you're going to promote something that's going to pay you a recurring amount, you need to promote something that is going to pay you something like this. This is a marketplace that recently launched, one of the best affiliate marketplace or network, one of the best in 2021 so far that I have seen. The reason I'm saying it's the best, it might not have a lot of offers like the likes of ClickBank and JVZoo and all those other networks. I have an account with those. There's nothing wrong with them. But if you are looking for an affiliate network that you want to partner with, that you want to get paid commission for something like this, I mean, this is a lot for just promoting this here. Per one person, you're gonna get this, how much that you're gonna get, and it's not likely where you're gonna get offers like this anyway. So this is one of the marketplaces that you want to check out as an affiliate marketer that you want to partner with, because as an affiliate marketer you want to make sure that you partner with this affiliate networks just to check their offers. Does not mean that you need to promote everything that they are selling. You just need to pick the best or the highest paying offer that you think that you can promote it, right? And another thing about this platform, not only can promote, another thing about it is that you can also sell your own products. And unlike other platforms, it is easy to just create your product once you've opened an account with this marketplace here. And I'm just gonna drop the name at the end of this video. Make sure that you watch this video until the end, and if you don't have time to watch this video until the end, then you can sign up a free account on this affiliate network or platform that has got an affiliate network inside, right? You can use the link that you see on the screen to go and create your free account if you wanna have access to this marketplace here. And you can also create your own product. These are the steps. If you click on create product, first thing first, you want to go on Twitter editor, so these are all the steps that you need. And at the end of the day, after you created your product, wait for the release, and the release is gonna be within sometimes they don't take time. This platform is amazing. You can also filter your product by prices, so country, language, currency, and needs. So you want to make sure that you check this platform out, right? And the name of this marketplace is under a robust platform that is called Builderall. Builderall is a platform that has got over 40 marketing tools and affiliate system in it, and also this marketplace. So I'm gonna drop the links in my description. The first link can use it to create your free account completely free. You're gonna use this platform completely for free. The second link, you have an option to take a 14 days free trial. It's also free. What it means is that you're gonna be using this platform for 14 days as a premium user. You're gonna have all these features here, everything that you see, you're gonna have it, right? And because as a free user, it's not everything that you can use it to its fullest potential on this platform, and some of this you might not see because I'm on paid, so that's why you can see all of this. So if you are a free user and you don't happen to see some of the stuff, it's because you need to upgrade. But this one here, you will be able to access it as a free user. And the last link that I'm going to drop is going to give you 30 days trial. 30 days, it means that you're going to be required to pay only $1 use it up to 30 days. And if you don't want to pay anything, you feel like this is a scam, it's fine. You can use this for 14 days without paying anything. But I know once you are in, I mean, just like myself, I started the free trial. Once you are hooked, you're gonna want to continue. Right now, I'm a premium member on Builderall because I continue to see so much value from this platform. So go check it out and start promoting high ticket selling, products. Right, cool. I'll see you on the next video. Keep safe. Bye. I'm out.